Hello everyone, good morning. This is Anthony, your licensed Mr. Boholanong Realtor. So, for today's project po is picture ko po sa inyo yung Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2. Sa mga hindi pa nakakita sa Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 1, so actually this Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2 is a pre-selling condominium developed by Primary Homes Incorporated over 30 years or 3 decade in real estate industry na po sila.
A blend of resort living, prime location, and worthwhile investment. Experience a life full of rewards.
CDN Digital. Today, let's rediscover this beautiful island paradise as a growing hub for vacation property investments.
Famed for its tourist magnet white sand beaches and world-class diving spots, Panglao Island is no doubt a prime location for any development.
With pristine shores as your backyard, investing in properties here promises premium rewards, financial and lifestyle-wise. Primary Homes Incorporated, your most reliable partner in the real estate industry, brings you the Royal Ocean Crest Panglao Island 2, your perfect real estate investment in this paradise island.
So, sa hindi pa nakakita ng video ko about sa Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 1, natapos na po yan. So, ito po yung Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 1. Located po sa San Isidro, Dawis, Panglao Island, Bohol. And complete na po siya, and we have available few units dyan. Nag-link ako sa video sa taas. Then here po sa ating Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2, ongoing construction po siya, and building B will be completed in the first quarter of building A and B will be completed in the first quarter of year 2026. So this is 5-tower condominium, mid-rise condominium. So if you are looking for the best reason to invest in a vacation property today, then you come in the right place. So Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2, 5 towers po siya, 2.8 hectares. Then very accessible ang kanyang location. It is located in Dao, Dawis, Panglao Island, Bohol. And ito po yung kalsada na makikita natin sa going side. Is ito po is dito may highway na po siya. Then this highway is from Panglao International Airport. So this is just few walking steps to National Highway. So very accessible po ang kanyang location. Very accessible lang po ang kanyang location. So ito po is flowing to Panglao International Airport and Panglao White Sand Beaches. Panglao White Sand Beaches. Then ito na po yung entrance natin going to Royal Ocean Crest Panglao, which only take 200 meters. Then this road also is going to Tagbilaran City. Then walking distance lang po siya. Sa baba nito is dagat na po siya. Ito po yung Flushing Meadows Resort. And just 200 meter going to the beach. That is a public beach po, and all can easily access going to beach if gusto niyo pong tumambay sa beach. Then ito po ang kanyang main entrance. Then and also po is ito po ang kanyang main entrance sa other side. And ito po ang kanyang main entrance din po sa other side. So dito may entrance po tayo dito. So may entrance po tayo dito, going po yan sa Bohol Bee Farm, yung entrance na yan. And ito po is another entrance from building A, and ito po is another entrance from building B. So ang kabuang lot area na po niya is 2.8 hectares po siya, with wide variety of amenities po yung Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2 natin. So ito po yung pinakamalaking Royal Ocean Crest natin. Ang kanyang sea view, makita nyo po. Then even third floor po is sea view na siya kasi yung lugar natin dito is pa-slope po siya. So pa-slope means pa-baba or pa-cliff yung lugar natin. So actually dito sa beach, going to the beach is pababa po siya. So even third floor is actually sea view na siya. Amenities po sa kanyang 2.8 hectares na kabuang lot area. And here po is our amenities in Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2. So first, we have the multi-purpose court, play park, meditation garden and kaipan, mini wall climbing, sunken garden, jogging trail, infinity and kiddie pool, clubhouse, events garden, function hall, amphitheater, and this is our entrance of our Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2. And this is the amphitheater. This is the events ground. This is the adult and kiddie pool. So this is the view from your pool. So ito po yung pool natin. Dito pwede po tayong tumambay dito. Especially kung may mga girls tayo. So pwede po tayong magtambay dito while relaxing or while nag-swimming. Then have fun while eating here at the table. Then we have also gardens here. And meron tayong mga sunken gardens, mga koi pan. Then we have the climbing wall here. And we have also the basketball court. See po is we have also garden pads. Dalawang garden pad po tayo. So one here and one also here. And you can visit the garden pad anytime you want. So para siyang tambayan yung garden pad po natin. At tambayan po siya yung garden pad po natin.
Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2 is strategically located in Dawi's town in Panglao Island, only a few minutes from the renowned beaches and tourist attractions here. It's also a few minutes away from the airport and just 20 minutes away from Tagbilaran City, making it very accessible from various points. On top of you having the opportunity to enjoy the beauty of the place and the surrounding beaches yourself, this property is also highly attractive to transient travelers and tourists. An exclusive resort community like no other, this development, offering rewards of a breathtaking getaway, is a property worth investing in.
Royal Ocean Crest is a sanctuary in itself, with its contemporary vacation amenities that call on everyone's desire for relaxation or adventure rental clients.
Each unit here at the Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2 offers smartly designed one-bedroom options and is very spacious with floor areas of 30 and 44 square meters. The high-functioning setup of the units makes it perfect for either short-term or long-term stays, translating your investment into a positive income stream. Primary Homes' 3-decade track record of trusted quality homes and on-time delivery of projects bolsters the value of your investment when you acquire a unit at Royal Ocean Crest. It promises the rewards of a reliable investment. Whether one wants to take a quick dip in the crystal clear waters, feel the warmth of the sun while enjoying the fine textured sand, or have stunning views while working remotely, all these are made possible with a condominium home here in Dawi's Panglao Island. With Panglao Island's economy quickly rising as it further establishes itself as a premier tourism destination in the country, there lies endless possibilities and opportunities for you and your investment here at Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2.